PU2 champions, welcome back to the channel. And yes, as you all know, the PU2 date sheet is finally out. So now it's time for preparation. And yes, the one of the most important thing that you must practice before going for your exams is your model question papers, right? So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how can you download the 2025-2026 model question papers, from where will you get, so all the details you will get. So please watch this video till the end. So the link of this particular page, that is second PUC student corner, second PUC study material, is given in the description section. It is very difficult to find this page from the website, so direct link is there. So please visit the description section and click on this link, and then you will be able to directly reach this page. Okay, so once you come here, okay, you can see that second PUC study material is there, and then you have model question papers. Okay, you are given with the last year model question papers 24-25 and also this year model question paper 25-26. okay, so now if you click on this 25, other than that, what else are there, let me tell you that also. Board exam question paper and model answers. So last year means 24-25 question papers and their the model answers are also given to you. The centum answer papers means how to present the answer, how the topper has written the answer, that is also available here. Next, question bank is also available here, right? So you can, in this video I'll be telling you how to see the model question paper. So 25-26 is there, just click on that. Okay, next you can see that the board has released 3 model papers, paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3. The first one is for, I think, languages. Okay, if you just scroll down, you can see other subjects. For example, chemistry is here. So you can click on this download button, then you will be able to see the question paper. Okay, so the question paper is in Kannada. Okay, so those students who are you can either the English version is there at the down, don't worry. Yeah, English version is also there, and you have the Kannada version at the first. Okay, so you have this exact question paper, you can practice from here. And similarly, you can see you have model paper 2 also, model paper 3 also. Okay, so like this for all the subjects you have 3 model papers except IT. So just download them and you can practice these questions. That's the first thing. Second thing you can see here is blueprint for 25-26 second PUC exam. Okay, so blueprint is also there. So let us click on blueprint. Okay, just a minute, I think I got to practicals. Yeah, blueprint, if you click here, you can see for optional subjects there is there. And then yeah, chemistry, for example, if I want to click here, then it will be downloaded, and from here I can open it, and yes, you can see the blueprint. This time there is only one blueprint, no confusion, like last time we have got three blueprints. So yes, now this time you have one blueprint per subject, per chapter. So that is really good, and you can analyze this blueprint, and that will help you to understand the weightage of the chapters. Okay, for chemistry especially, I say it is not much different from the last year, almost similar. The chapters have the same weightage. So this is how you can download the question bank and the blueprint. Sorry, this is how you can download the model question paper and the blueprint. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you so much. Please remember, the link is given in the description section. Do not go anywhere else. It is very difficult to find this link. I'm telling you, I myself searched for 15-20 minutes. So please take the use of this one, click on the link and directly reach to this page, and you will be getting whatever is required. Okay, thank you so much and all the best.